Hi all, welcome to our class. Last class we have studied about median and altitude of a triangle. What's an altitude? Height of the triangle. Okay, now we can study about the properties of interior angles and what is the relation between interior angles and exterior angles of a triangle. Okay. We are going to study exterior angle of a triangle and its properties. Okay. Now we can draw two parallel lines and one transversal. Okay children. So we know that alternate angles are equal. So if this is 1, we can give this one as x. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle x. Okay, we have studied alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Next, we can draw another one transversal passing through this intersection. Okay, now if we rub this one, okay, this will be there. This one we can name it as angle 2 and this one as y. Corresponding angles. Okay children, corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle y are corresponding angles. We can say corresponding angles are equal. Okay, now we can draw it again. Here x was there. So now we got angle 1 is equal to angle x and angle 2 is equal to angle y. So, when we are adding angle 1 and angle 2, we will get angle x and y. Angle x and y. Sum of the angle 1 and 2 is equal to sum of x and y. Okay, we can rub some lines. This one and this one. Also here. Okay, and we can rub this too. Now we can see one angle, and here angle 1 is there, 2 is there. Here also angle is there, but we are not considering just now. Now we are studying about interior angles and exterior angle. Only two angles we can take. Okay, so we know this will be x plus y. Okay, so we know angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle x plus y. We can say that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the opposite of its interior angles. That is sum of its interior opposite angles. Here these two are the opposite interior angles of this angle. Clear? That is here one exterior angle. These two are the opposite of this exterior angles. These are the opposite interior angles of this exterior angle. Okay. So what can we say? We can say that the sum of the interior opposite angles will be equal to its exterior angle. Okay children. Now if these two are giving, and we can say the sum will be equal to this exterior angle. If this is 40 degree and if this one is 60 degree, we can say this angle will be 40 degree plus 60 degree. That is equal to 100 degree. Okay, and next example, if here. And we can give this one as 60 degree, and if this is 50 degree, we can say here the angle will be 50 degree plus 60 degree, that is 110 degree. Okay children? But here one angle and here another one angle, and we have to find this angle. Can we add these two and this sum is equal to this exterior angle? No. We have studied, we have to get the opposite of this exterior angle itself. This is the opposite of these exterior angles. Opposite angles and exterior angles. Okay children? Opposite interior angles and exterior angle of the same triangle. Okay. We can do some works related with this property. Let us try.